Hemang Jani, morning. No surprises that ICICI Security lists at a discount of a massive 16.5% to its issue price. It's not just about how the issue was perceived in the market or what valuations it came at. It's also got to do with the kind of environment and the kind of news flow that you're seeing around ICICI Bank right now.
Yeah, good morning, Aisha. I think more than the news flow and the sentiment, the sense that probably the market participants are getting is that this issue has come at a time when the overall market volumes are at peak, and even the profitability of the company in terms of the margins is also at a peak. So that probably explains why the listing has happened at about a 15-16% discount. But I think this looks quite attractive given that, it's a pure retail brokerage play, and most of the other companies that we are discussing are not very comparable because their overall revenue in the, their broking revenue in the overall revenue is not so much. For ISEC, it's about 58 odd percent and almost about 9% kind of a market share. So I think company has done pretty well in the last 5 years in terms of, the market share and the revenue growth has been quite stupendous. So if somebody has a 1 year, 2 year kind of a view, I think this 15-16% discount is a great opportunity.
Great opportunity. He's saying it's a great opportunity.
Why do you think this is a great opportunity?
See, Nikunj, if you look at the overall market volume in the past 5 years, it has grown at about 38%. And ICICI has actually achieved a CAGR of 61%. And the way the entire savings pattern is emerging, I think, direct equity and mutual fund both will be a very important component of that. And here is a company with a 3.8 million customers and 9% market share. And this is entirely an operating leverage play. This is a technology-based business. So you grow your turnover, you grow your client activity, it adds to the margin of the company. And you know that the ROE and the margins are extremely high for a company like ISEC. So I think if you are bullish on the market, if you're bullish on the volumes per se, and if you're bullish on the mutual fund penetration, I think this is a great opportunity for investors from a 2 to 3 year perspective.
Hemang, while that's a call that you're making on ICICI Securities, I just want to quickly get in your view on Midani as well, which has been, classified as a mini Ratna in Category 1 company in 2009. In the steel alloys business, they are, I believe, the only manufacturers of titanium alloys in India. Do you think that there could be some sort of interest coming in this one, given that the government holds 26% and the kind of business model they operate with? They have a manufacturing facility in Hyderabad, so they have high value specialty steel. They offer super alloys and titanium based alloys.
Tanveer, I have not looked at the details of this company, but I get a sense that some of the alloy makers and the intermediaries are doing pretty well in the last 12 months because of the way the entire pricing has panned out, particularly steel intermediaries. So from that perspective, I sense that there is a great opportunity for somebody like this, but I have not looked at the details, so I don't want to put out any specific view or comment here.